Happy morning to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I have come live for a very important reason, and you all should know it. The controversy from our side, no, Karthik sir's side, has come to an end on Saturday morning itself. That was the last video that he has put. But unfortunately, the part 2 and yesterday again Sunday evening 5:30 there was part 3 which is released, some advice to Karthik Manikonda sir. I don't want a part 4 video. That is the reason why I have come. I seriously don't want, because these 50 minutes, 1 hour, it is really a time waste for students also. It is a time waste, sir. Please, I don't want a part 4 video. In the part 3 video, you have given the advice to Karthik sir saying improve the classes, improve the material, use artificial intelligence, it will be helpful, all of those things. Okay, all right. And you have addressed the students of CA classroom, saying the affected parties, that is the affected students, you come and experience the classes in Sreshta. See, when I saw that, I only saw that as a marketing gimmick, to be very honest. I only saw that like that. But I know you will not stoop so low down to that level. So what we decided, maybe he is concerned for the students of CA classroom. Obviously, we are also concerned for the students of CA classroom. So we put a feedback form in the group that all the students who have purchased the classes, to really understand whether they are understanding the classes, do they really have any issues. So we wanted to understand and we put the feedback form there. I will just show you the feedback. I genuinely thought the confidence of the students will be shaken because of all the allegations, all the videos. I genuinely had that fear in me. But when I saw this feedback form, how much of positivity the students have spread. Outstanding. I purchased your accounts class for September. This is my 55th attempt. I was scoring only 46 and 47. And then something number, I'm happy that a group was created. You replied to my message. Big thanks. I have watched accounts and law. Karthik sir is just lit. Excellent. Your teaching style is wow. Proud to be so many feedbacks, and everything is a good feedback. See, there are about 100 plus responses here. You see the date also. We have given the feedback on 28th of September. The timestamp is given in the left here. 28th of September, there are 100 plus students who have given multiple positive feedbacks for the accounts and class. Feedback about accounts and law class only. Now, when students are satisfied, when their trust is not shaken, now we are rest assured. Now, why I wanted to show this, now the people who have purchased have experienced his class or part of the class, no issues. But people who are watching on YouTube, this is the assurance for you. See, usually when people tell, or when you see the comments, you don't know who is telling, whether they've seen the class, you don't know. Even I was shocked to see so many comments, and I was genuinely shocked to even see Ramasha sir talk like that about the class's quality and all, because it is really hurtful, first of all. And the feedbacks when we actually got from the students who have experienced the classes, seriously, guys, it is outstanding. Now, if you have the doubt, I will leave this feedback in the description box itself. Whenever you have the doubt, no, you go to that link, you read for yourself. Now, this is a live Excel sheet. So I've given the view access. Students of YouTube, they can view what are all the feedbacks which is there. And you yourself will know, guys, this is the first hand message about the class that you will have to see if you want to purchase the class, and not some video on YouTube or some comment of people who might not have purchased the class, might not have experienced the class. So this is the real feedback that I want to actually give you. It started off somewhere with accusation of 3/4 strategy. And to be honest, if the other faculty also is going to say, no, your strategy, Karthik, that is wrong. It is not going to be beneficial for students. Expected questions you are giving, it is not good. So if it is a constructive feedback, then it is very, very good, because both are fighting for students' welfare. It is a healthy competition. So in that case, it is good. But when there are personal allegations, when words like fraud, unethical, worst faculty. When all these are used, no, it is actually very hurtful. It is very disheartening when we see these videos, when we see these words which is being used. See, usually men, no, even my father was like that, so I can't complain. So usually men, they don't cry. I have seen in my entire life, I know Karthik sir for about 8 years now. In my entire life, I have seen him cry only twice. The first one was during the delivery process. There was so much of pain and all of those things. That time he shed a tear. And now, guys, when all of these things are happening, I saw him, he was really stressed. And there was one tear which is coming from his eye. Seriously disheartening to see all of those things. It is difficult to actually see all these videos about a person because he has really worked hard to reach this level. Serving 50,000 plus students is not a joke. It is not that he came yesterday or a day before. 7 to 8 years of efforts. I'm only a supporting pillar, guys. I have come only 1.5 years back. But the base is created purely by Karthik sir. Just to give the best quality of classes, best quality of books. And recently, he has also introduced the test series. He has curated each and everything in the test series, the 25%, 50%, 100% mock test. So much of effort. And Harsha sir obviously will be knowing because he also is a man who has created from scratch and so many students studying with him also. So obviously both of them are at the top, both of them doing very good quality service to the students, no doubt about it. But it is hurtful after doing all of these things when you see such videos. It is really hurtful, sir. Now, just tell me if I make some video saying Harsha sir is jealous. That's why he told like you make separate YouTube channel. Harsha sir is jealous. That's why he is making all these videos because he's not able to stand that we have grown so far, so fast in such a short time. If I say all of those things, how hurtful will it be for you, sir? So I am not saying that. Don't take me wrongly. I am just saying if I tell, it will be very hurtful, no sir. So same way when you say those words also, it is very very hurtful for the other party this side. Now there was one more allegation saying the old lectures are being provided. Old lectures of 2023 or 2022. I don't know which year he mentioned, but some old lectures were being provided. I respectfully want to disagree with you because in 2025, Karthik sir has recorded 200 hours of lectures for both accounts and law. And these are very, very relevant for the Jan 26 examinations. It is new recordings, guys. It is new recordings. I think for wow, he has recorded which product I'm not sure, but he spent 200 hours recording in 2025 only. And whatever recording is there in the website, no, whatever recording is, whatever classes are being sold in the website, it is very much relevant for the Jan 26 exams. Whatever book is there on the website, very much relevant for the Jan 26 exams. Now, I will give an open challenge or I will give a assurance to you that if you find any amendment which is not there as part of the classes or which is not there as part of the book, then we will process the full refund or even double refund. I will give you. I'm telling this with 100% confidence that whatever lectures are there are very much relevant for Jan 26 exams onwards. Both of you are senior faculties. You have reached one level in the career. Now, people like me and even students or other faculties also, when we look at you with respect. Harsha sir, I know you personally. I have respected you. I still respect you and I will respect you in the future also. When you're in that position and when you're talking all of these things, we are becoming mental. No, all the junior faculties are becoming mental. Like we are like, what is happening? Like what is even students for that matter? They will be like, what is happening? Whom to trust? Because a thing like this has not happened in the past. These personal issues coming to YouTube, personal allegations, it has not happened in the past. I believe. I don't know. But when it has come, no, we are all becoming like, Oh my God, what has happened? Like, what should we do? It is seriously disheartening, sir. Really, that is the word. It is disheartening. And guys, students, you all are, I don't know if you're again and again going and watching the videos. The views of the videos are skyrocketing. All the allegation videos, the replies to allegation videos, everything is skyrocketing. See, we did not do it for the views. And I have told Karthik sir very clearly, see, if views are increasing, that means students are still wasting the time. We shall please delete all the videos. And Harsha sir, I know for sure you also did not do it for the views and all of those things. It is my request to delete all the videos, because ultimately students should get benefited. There is no benefit for the students who are watching these videos. It is only a time pass for them. But at that stature, at that level, we should not be distracting them with all those videos, is my opinion. So let it not be like you delete first, I delete first. I don't want all those things. That is why I thought, okay, we will fix a time and date. 7 p.m. today only, 29th September, Monday, we will be deleting all the videos. That is my assurance. And I request you also to delete all the videos, sir. It is not going to do any good for the student community. And you had mentioned, I think, in your part 3 video or something, that Karthik sir has not told sorry. Maybe because we didn't give the timestamp, it got missed in the first video. Saturday morning video, in the end, he told sorry, sir, actually. And there is one more video with public apology, and he has apologized to Harsha sir also personally. And I also genuinely want to apologize to you, sir, and all of the students for wasting the time. Really, for wasting the time. And I have done my part also, but I think I gave a little bit of confidence for you. So I think it is still worth it to do this video. But genuinely sorry, sorry for wasting everybody's time in the process of the allegations, responses to allegations. It is very unnecessary. If I have what is the right word? I don't know. If I have spoken anything wrong, or if I have hurt you, if I have hurt anybody, I am very, very sorry. My intention was only to spread peace, spread love, and only love. In this video, in my video, I want only love. I don't want anyone saying this happened that day, this happened. What is the reply? Not necessary. It is not necessary at all. Let us move forward, guys. Let us move forward. That is the most important thing. And yes, I want to remind you one thing. Only less than 100 days is there for all your exams. Now, in this 100 days, you all want to keep going back to the same issue, or you want to go forward. Now, you have to think about the most important thing, that is auditing, the favorite subject, or most favorite subject, strategic management. Yes. So please divert your attention to subjects. Tell me how many of you all actually wasted so many hours, so many days, in fact. How many days will it keep on going? So please, guys, please, there is a limit. Please stop it. Stop it right there. Put the focus on studies. I will do one thing. You guys tell me what you want from me tomorrow, day after, and all of these things. And you tell me which group you are writing in Jan 26 or May 26, whichever attempt you're writing, so that we can plan. I love to interact with students. So when you interact with me, you tell me I'm writing this attempt, group 2 you're writing. Then I will plan the content of my YouTube video. Okay, group 2, this person told she's attending. So I will give the content for group 2. It will be beneficial for the students. So it will help us also to plan. So let us already shift the focus to studies. Please tell me which group, which attempt you're writing, what you would like to see from the channel, what exactly you're expecting. All these things we will discuss from now. And yes, guys, it is enough. Enough is enough. And yes, Harsha sir, uh, if you want to talk anything, we can meet in person. I am open to meeting in person. We have gone to so many places, beach, Murugan Idli shop, and so many restaurants. Or you can come home. 10-minute walk for you to come home. Or you call us. We will come home. No issues. In person, when we talk, See, miscommunications will not happen. We will understand the intention better. Okay, Harsha sir has told this. In fact, you told me, no, sir, that you have opened my book and you have showed that audit books, scope of audit includes and excludes. Only the pointers are there. Inside content is not given, elaborated properly. So I took that as constructive feedback and I have changed my book. I have changed that single page. And for students who have already purchased, I thought I will make a handwritten note of my own handwritten note, and also some few gifts I have planned, and small ones, cute ones. And already the dispatch has been started. You guys will be getting it, whoever has purchased the book. So like that, if there is any constructive feedback, I'm always open to it. Really, sir, really, I'm open to it. You can always tell me, but let us meet. Let us meet and talk. Let the kids play like they always do. Let us meet, sir. Bring your family home. We will have dinner together. So let us not talk on YouTube anymore. Please, sir. Let us not do that. I hope I will not see another part 4 video. And yes, guys, only subject, only studies. You tell me in the comments what you want. And yes, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Spread love. And yes, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning at 9:15 a.m. as usual. Bye, guys.